Alright guys, we have my Dodge Ram 1500 and today I'm going to be changing out the headliner. As you can see, I'm tired of this. And this is the same truck you guys seen in the video where I changed out the radio. Still works perfectly fine in case anyone was wondering, but I'm gonna get started. I ordered a new headlamp. Also ordered a new center console that comes tomorrow, so I'll put that in probably after the fact, and I'll show you guys the new headliner. We're going with black. Let's get rocking. I'll show you guys step by step. Step one, we have the mirrors. We're gonna want to take off the mirrors. Disassemble the mirrors. Probably should have unclipped it first. Save the screws, set them somewhere so you don't lose them, and let's pause the video. Alrighty, now we got the handle here. Gotta take off next. Just use a flathead, pull these down. My truck's pretty old, so everything's pretty fragile. They just slide off. Got both of these off. We have two Phillips screws heads right here. We're just going to take these off. Pull handle is down. In a second. This extra long drill bit that I have here. Super long. I was informed that this is an extension for the drill bit. Take this side skirt piece off. Another pull handle. This is like an Allen key. Oh, this is nice. I like this. Now we got the center console. It looks like we kind of just pull this down with that little button right there, and then I think there's two screws that are supposed to be in here that you can take down, and then it just unclips. But for one, I don't know why mine has a bolt in it. Alrighty, as we see, we got this down. Looks like it kind of snaps out. Oh, well, we're replacing that, but be careful if you guys take yours down. My Dodge Ram is like wired straight to, if I open up the doors, all my dome lights and everything come on, because I had this thing shortening, grounding somewhere. But I'm replacing with a new center console. Clips and take it down like that. These little clips that hang clothing in the back, they said with enough force you could just pull them right on down. And hopefully we didn't break that one. Step we have here is we have these little clips right here you can take down on the headliner. There's quite a few of them all throughout. Some of them are pretty bad. My ceiling is... this sucks. That's when you know you need to replace it. Set using a flat bar. If you have a smaller one, you can just pop these down, but just be careful you don't break them. You want to remove your door panels. We've noticed that over here there's just a clip underneath that you can break free. That way you don't have to remove your whole door panel. Pop those puppies off, and then you can see a little bracket in there. Show it. Yep. Alright, now we're at the point where we're going to start to pull this whole thing down. The point where we're pulling, we're just pulling the edges. They all pull down. It's normally a two-person job, but I'm holding the camera. That was a little bit of a pickle, so we had to slide it all the way out because we didn't take off these things, but finally got it down. Now we're going to show you guys how to refabricate pulling all this. The best part, I've been waiting to do this for like 8 or 9 years since I've owned the truck. Let's pull this nasty old headliner all the way off. Right now we're prepping it out for the new headliner. Oh. This is actually a pretty critical part. A lot of people think that they could just spray over this old foam, which is the old backing on the old headliner. It's very critical if you scrape all this old foam off, that way the adhesive sticks on the new liner. And what we did was we glued the whole backing on like this. We couldn't record it because it was kind of really fast paced with the adhesive and the glue and the setting and the pulling and stretching, but honestly I give it about a B for my first time ever doing this. It actually turned out pretty good. So I'm working on doing the dome light right now. Alright guys, we just finished up installing the light here, the dome light in the center, and just got a little couple odds and ends and put some things in, but that's the install. Hope you all liked. Stay tuned for another.